What happens when imagination meets discipline? What happens when innovation works hand in hand with purpose? What do you get when untapped brilliance of young minds is given tools, space, and trust to solve real world problems? What you get is a revolution in motion. Welcome to this Noblenews special production. This program brings you highlights of the maiden edition of the Zaria STEM and Robotics Expo, hosted by the visionary team at BT Hub, Center for Digital Skills and Technology, Zaria. A groundbreaking convergence of creativity, courage, and youthful brilliance. In an era increasingly defined by science and technology, BT Hub has ignited a bold flame of innovation in Zaria, offering young secondary school students more than just a platform to dream, but a rare opportunity to transform their ideas into working solutions. From concept to prototype, from imagination to execution, these students have shown that the future is not something we wait for, it is something we build. Join us as we celebrate this inspiring showcase of purpose-driven innovation, proudly led by tomorrow's change makers. A celebration of ingenuity, 15 schools, one vision. At the heart of the maiden Zaria STEM and Robotics Expo was a powerful idea to give young minds the opportunity to dream, design, and deliver. 15 forward-looking schools answered the call, each stepping forward with a technology-driven project aimed at solving real-world problems. These schools were not handed their assignments. As Abdul Makid Hussein, the Director, Chief Executive Officer of BT Hub, Center for Digital Skills and Technology, proudly remarked. He said,
"None of us gave them a project. They are the one that selected this project and sees that this is the project we want to do. And that these children, it is not that they bought these things, no, they built it by themselves."
From conception to construction, every prototype presented was a product of students' initiative, guided by the principles of STEM and the spark of raw creativity. The participating schools, listed here in alphabetical order, each brought a distinctive solution to the expo floor. These schools are: number 1, Abu Huraira International Academy; 2, Adekola International School; 3, Al-Ansar Foundation Schools; 4, Barewa College; 5, Dar Ilmi Academy; and 6, the Great Top Spring School; 7, Demonstration Secondary School; 8, Dr. M.I. Machido Academy; 9, Habiba to Dawood Science and Islamic School; 10, Ibrahim Bello Memorial School; and 11, Kojab College and Craft Academy; 12, Lina's Dream Academy; 13, Markazul Hadara Academy; 14, Nigerian Military School; and 15, Prince and Princess Academy. Each school's project was assessed by a panel of judges on the basis of originality, technical articulation, practical application, and presentation quality. What followed was a vibrant display of creativity, from energy and environment to agriculture, security, health, and smart living. Together, these students have shown that innovation does not wait for age or degree. It begins with curiosity and willingness to try. In the spirit of fairness and clarity, we present these projects in alphabetical order from the 1st to the 15th. Each school brought forth a bold idea, designed, built, and explained by the students themselves. Let's explore what they created. Let the innovation speak. Young minds, bold ideas, from vision to prototype, ideas that dare to be built. Now, the presentation. Number 1, Abu Huraira International Academy, Smart Parking Space Barrier. Abu Huraira International Academy introduced a smart parking space barrier, an automated access control system designed to eliminate the need for manual gate operation.
We are here to showcase our program, which is a smart parking space barrier. When you come with your car, you don't need to ask gate man to open the gate for you. When this sensor sends car arrive, it will open automatically. Then you enter and park your car.
The project integrates motion sensors and a microcontroller to detect an approaching vehicle and automatically lift the barrier, allowing seamless entry without requiring a gateman or remote device. Once the car parks, the barrier reactivates, securing the space and preventing unauthorized access. The student explained how this innovation enhances convenience, security, and efficiency in residential homes, school environments, offices, and commercial parking lots. It also minimizes human effort while promoting contactless technology, an important consideration in modern urban planning. The system is energy efficient and scalable, making it a practical choice for smart city infrastructure. Judges commended the project for its ingenuity, simplicity of use, and relevance to daily life. The smart parking space barrier reflects how students can harness to create user-focused automated solutions that improve public and private spaces. 2. Adekola International School Smart Irrigation System.
Today we are going to discuss about our very first invention, the smart irrigation system. This irrigation system, unlike traditional irrigation controllers, measures the moisture of soil and measures the water in soil. It can be used to monitor soil moisture in real time.
Adekola International School presented a smart irrigation system aimed at transforming traditional farming through automated, efficient water management. The system uses soil moisture sensors, a microcontroller, and a valve actuator to monitor soil conditions and activate irrigation only when necessary, conserving water, reducing waste, and improving crop yield. Powered by solar energy and enhanced with mobile alert capabilities, the system is ideal for rural and off-grid communities where access to electricity and consistent rainfall is limited,
thereby providing the farmer with scientific basis for irrigation and to avoid excessive irrigation and droughts. This irrigation system measures water, helps the farmer to detect whether his soils need water or not.
The students highlighted its relevance in combating climate change, supporting food security, and easing the burden on small-scale farmers across sub-Saharan Africa. Judges praised the project for its technical depth, practical design, and social impact. It stands as a strong example of how STEM education equipped students to apply innovation towards solving critical real-world challenges. The smart irrigation system reflects purpose-driven creativity, fusing environmental awareness with technology to support sustainable agriculture. Number 3. Al-Ansar Foundation Schools Smart Home with an Intruder Alarm. Al-Ansar Foundation Schools showcased a smart home with an intruder alarm, an intelligent security system designed to detect unauthorized movement and trigger immediate alerts. The prototype features motion sensor, microcontrollers, and a responsive alarm mechanism with options for mobile connectivity to provide real-time updates to the homeowners.
And our project is a smart house that uses Wi-Fi modem. It uses ultrasonic sensor to detect the presence of intruders. So the problem our project is going to solve is that it helps us detect intruders and it is cost effective.
This is an ultrasonic sensor in which it works based on the principle of sound waves. One send the sound wave and the other one receive. So if there's an object coming towards the house, the other one it will send the signal and then it will calculate the time taken for it to reach so that it will know the distance and it will show me via my phone.
Targeted at addressing the rising concern over home and property security, the system offers a practical and affordable solution suitable for both urban and rural households. The students emphasized its adaptability and ease of use, bringing a technology often viewed as luxury into everyday homes.
And for example, let's give for more clarification, let's practical.
But before then, the importance of this project is that it provides peace of mind to homeowners. Even if you are not at home, for example, you are in a place of your work, maybe in your offices, provided that you are connected to the internet, it will help you know if maybe an intruder is in your home. So it will show you, as it's going to show us here practically. And if you are not connected to your phone, maybe you are in your home, the ultrasonic sensor now detects my movements. And as you can hear, the buzzer is making a sound. So at the same time, the LED is lighting up.
Judges commended the team for their technical competence, thoughtful design, and social relevance. The project demonstrated how young learners, through STEM education, can apply innovation to community challenges. The smart home with intruder alarm goes beyond convenience. It enhances safety, offers peace of mind, and showcases the role of youth-led solutions in shaping more secured living environments. Number 4. Bayo College Zero Energy Cooling Chamber. Bayo College showcased an environmentally conscious innovation titled Zero Energy Cooling Chamber, a sustainable, low-cost solution for preserving perishable goods without electricity. Built from locally available materials, the chamber works on the principle of evaporative cooling by using water to lower internal temperatures several degrees below the ambient level. It effectively extends the shelf life of fruits, vegetables, and other perishables.
This is our project. It is named Zero Energy Cooling Chamber. It is a low, eco-friendly solution for preserving fruits and vegetables.
Ideal for rural and off-grid communities, this project addresses a critical challenge faced by farmers and vendors in northern Nigeria. Post-harvest losses due to lack of refrigeration. The students explain how the system's simplicity and affordability can help increase farmers' income, reduce food waste, and enhance food security.
As you can see, it is a new way of preserving fruit and vegetables. It serves as a refrigerator. It uses water as a refrigerant.
Judges praised the team for blending traditional wisdom with scientific application, offering a scalable solution rooted in local realities. Bayo College project stands out as a prime example of STEM education empowering students to create impactful, climate-friendly innovations with real-world benefits. Number 5. Darul Ilmi Academy Smart Waste Bin. Darul Ilmi Academy presented an impressive innovation titled the Smart Waste Bin, a tech-driven solution aimed at promoting hygiene, environmental sustainability, and automation in waste management. The Smart Waste Bin is equipped with ultrasonic sensors and a microcontroller system that enables it to detect motion and open its lid automatically, eliminating the need for physical contact and reducing the spread of germs.
We're here to showcase our project, which is a smart waste bin.
Have you ever been hesitant to open a waste bin just because the lid was dirty? Well, fear no more. We have a waste bin which automatically opens itself. Today we'll introduce you to a waste bin which automatically opens its hand which uses motion sensors. This makes cleanliness more convenient and automation part of our daily lives.
More than just a touchless bin, the device features indicators to monitor waste levels, sending alerts when the bin is full and ready for disposal. This smart integration of hardware and software addresses everyday sanitation issues in schools, hospitals, homes, and public spaces.
As they say, the world is now technologically driven.
How do we strike a balance between simplicity, affordability, and hygiene? Our project is striving to solve the following problems. One, the manual operation involved in the use of usual waste bins. Two, the inaffordability of existing smart bins. And three, the risk of contaminating the lid of waste bins.
The students' presentation highlighted the growing role of smart systems in public health, demonstrating how technology can encourage safer waste disposal habits, minimize environmental pollution, and support efficient waste collection strategies in urban centers.
Here you see me wave my hand in front of the waste bin and it opens up. Once I dispose it, it closes back. This helps to prevent.
Their prototype reflected practical thinking, strong design principles, and a deep concern for both public health and environmental cleanliness, making it a standout contribution to the Expo. Number 6. The Great Top Spring School Solar-Powered Security Alarm. The Great Top Spring School presented an innovative project titled Solar-Powered Security Alarm, combining sustainability with practical security solutions. The system is designed to detect unauthorized movement using motion sensors, activating a loud buzzer and flashing LED lights to deter intruders. What sets the project apart is its complete reliance on solar energy. Powered by photovoltaic panels and supported by a backup energy storage unit, the alarm functions independently of the national grid.
This detects when someone is inside a room that you are not around,
making it ideal for homes, schools, and businesses in energy-challenged areas. The environmentally friendly approach significantly reduces operational costs while promoting renewable energy use. The students also demonstrated potential upgrades such as GSM-based alerts for remote monitoring. Their project reflects a strong grasp of electronics, clean energy, and basic programming. Judges praised the team for addressing both safety and sustainability in one solution, showcasing how young innovators can develop affordable, scalable technologies to build a more secured and eco-conscious future. Number 7. Demonstration Secondary School IoT-enabled smart irrigation system. Demonstration Secondary School presented an Internet of Things, that is IoT-enabled smart irrigation system, a project designed to revolutionize traditional farming and practices by integrating modern technology into agriculture.
What we are here to present is an IoT irrigation system. IoT means Internet of Things, which means that you can do everything now on Earth through cloud, not really having to be there when you are doing this. For example, this irrigation system, it is made in such a way that you can control it from a far distance, and it shows you the moisture of your soil in the garden, so you can decide whether to water it or not. This irrigation system is specially applicable to old people and disabled people who cannot move easily. You don't have to suffer yourself to move to the garden, carry a hose on the tap and water all your plants. You can just control it from home. And also people who travel much but like gardening, when you are away from the state or the country, provided you have a stable network connection, you can water your plant at home. And also with some modifications to this, we can also use it as a fire extinguisher. If we add a heat sensor to it, it can sense heat and you pour water on it so it can kill the fire.
The system utilizes soil moisture sensors connected to a microcontroller to detect when the soil is dry and automatically trigger the irrigation process. This ensures the crops receive water precisely when needed, thereby conserving water, improving crop yield, and reducing human labor. The project reflects the students' understanding of climate-smart agriculture and their ability to harness emerging technologies to address local and global challenges.
We can see the moisture of the soil through this sensor. It tells you the amount of water in the soil or the amount of dryness. And there is also a switch in the app where you just turn it on and it starts to water the plants.
Their presentation stood out for its technical accuracy, real-world applicability, and clear articulation of benefits to small-scale and large-scale farmers in Nigeria and beyond. The team effectively demonstrated how smart farming tools powered by IoT can boost agricultural productivity and sustainability in rural and urban communities alike. Number 8, Dr. M.I. Machido Academy, Solar Power Energy System. Dr. M.I. Machido Academy presented a solar power energy system designed to harness the power of the sun and convert it into usable electricity for homes, schools, and small businesses. The project utilizes photovoltaic solar panels that capture sunlight and convert it into electrical energy through a clean, renewable process.
I'm here to show you what by solar power energy system. This solar power energy system is capture sunlight and it converts light energy to electrical energy. This means by solar panel, it's one capture the sunlight. Why these are the bulbs? When I on it, it will be power and it is useful in rural area.
The students demonstrated how the system can serve as reliable energy alternative in rural and underserved communities where access to electricity is limited or non-existent. By storing solar energy during the day, for use at night, the system promotes energy independence, reduces reliance on fossil fuels, and lower electricity costs. Emphasizing sustainability and environmental responsibility, the students framed the project as a vital response to energy poverty and climate change. Judges praised the project for its clarity, practical relevance, and strong alliance with global clean energy goals. The solar power energy system showcases Dr. M. Machido Academy's commitment to empowering communities through innovative green technology. Number 9, Habiba to Dawood Science and Islamic School, Fire Alarm System. Habiba to Dawood Science and Islamic School presented a practical and life-saving innovation, a fire alarm system.
A reliable and efficient system for detecting and alerting occupants in the event of fire. The system integrates alarm, sensors, and notification mechanisms to provide early warning and minimize potential damage.
Designed to improve safety in homes, schools, and public spaces. Built by using smoke and heat sensors, a microcontroller, and an audible buzzer, the system detects early signs of fire and trigger an immediate alarm, allowing timely evacuation or intervention while emphasizing real-world application. Their system is particularly relevant in communities with limited access to advanced fire detection technology. Affordable and scalable, it can be deployed in classrooms, shops, homes, and places of worship. Judges praised the project for its clarity, technical accuracy, and social value. More than just a school project, the fire alarm system addresses a critical public safety concern. It exemplifies how STEM education can empower students to develop solutions that save lives and promote community resilience through early warning technology. Number 10. Ibrahim Bello Memorial School, smart glasses for the virtually impaired. Ibrahim Bello Memorial School presented an inspiring project titled Smart Glasses for the Virtually Impaired, blending compassion with innovation to enhance mobility and independence for those with visual challenges.
Today we are here to present a simple but powerful invention called the smart glasses for the visually impaired. Many people around the world are suffering from blindness and poor vision because of their inability to see what is in front of them. They often bump into objects, get injured, and feel unsafe while walking. Most of them wear dark regular glasses just to cover their eyes. But the question is, do those dark glasses help them detect danger? That's why we created something better. These glasses have special ultrasonic sensor, which looks exactly like an electronic eye. This sensor sends sound waves and can detect whenever there is an obstacle.
The prototype consists of lightweight glasses equipped with ultrasonic sensors, a microcontroller, and vibration or sound feedback. The system detects nearby obstacles by emitting ultrasonic waves, calculating distance, and triggering alerts to help users navigate safely. With real-time feedback, wearers gain greater spatial awareness and can avoid collision, especially in unfamiliar environments.
When there is a physical obstacle, it makes a sound through the buzzer, just like this.
What made the project exceptional was its humanitarian focus. The students stressed that technology should empower the vulnerable and improve lives. They proposed feature enhancement such as GPS integration, voice assistance, and Bluetooth connectivity. Judges commended the team for their empathy, creativity, and technical competence. The Smart Glasses project stood out as a model of inclusive innovation, showing how STEM education can drive meaningful change and create a more accessible world. Number 11. Kojab College and Craft Academy, Water Level Indicator. Kojab College and Craft Academy presented a highly practical innovation at the Zaria STEM and Robotics Expo, the Water Level Indicator, a simple yet impactful solution to water management challenges in homes, farms, and public facilities. Designed using float switches, sensors, microcontrollers, and buzzers, the device monitors water levels in tanks and triggers alert via LEDs or sound.
And the name of our project is a water level indicator. This works with, you can use a battery or a power bank or a laptop to power it. If your water is low, you can use it for your tank instead of sending people hitting the tank to check where the water level is. This can measure where your water level is, if it's low, middle, or full, and it shows with percentage. With this LCD display, it shows you if your water is in 7%, 100%, or 89%.
When levels are low, medium, or full, this prevents overflow protect pumps from dry run damage, promotes efficient water use, especially critical in regions facing water scarcity and inconsistent electricity. What impressed judges was the project's real-world relevance and clear articulation. The students showed strong awareness of environmental and economic benefits, suggesting future enhancements such as solar power, mobile application notification, and IoT connectivity for remote monitoring. By tackling a basic widespread problem with clarity and purpose, Kujab College's water level indicator demonstrated how STEM education can inspire locally driven, scalable solutions that improve everyday life. Number 12, Lina's Dream Academy, Obstacle Avoidance Car. Lina's Dream Academy presented a technically impressive project titled Obstacle Avoidance Car, an intelligent robotic vehicle designed to detect and avoid obstacles autonomously.
We have is obstacle avoidance car. It was meant to be able to avoid any obstacle from each and every side. An application of it is here in Nigeria, how we have some reckless drivers who are prone to crash and accidents. This is able to prevent such accidents. For example, an incoming object at high speed can come from the back and the driver will not be able to notice and himself.
Using ultrasonic sensors, microcontroller Arduino, and a motor driver circuit, the car senses its surroundings and redirects itself to avoid collision, demonstrating real-time adaptability and precision. The innovation reflects growing interest in smart mobility and robotics, with potential application in autonomous delivery systems, self-driving cars, and assistive technologies for elderly and physically challenged.
Sensors will be able to detect this object and alert the driver that there is an incoming object, which will allow the driver to be able to avoid the obstacle and prevent any accidents. Incoming object, maybe the driver is about to turn to enter the highway or any road and accidentally damage another person's car. This prototype is going to be able to avoid such mistakes.
During the Expo, the vehicle successfully navigated around barriers, showcasing both its responsiveness and practical potential. What made the project stand out was its scalability. The students proposed feature upgrades, such as GPS integration and traffic sensing features, paving the way for real-world users. Judges applauded the team's engineering acumen, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Lina's Dream Academics project was a bold example of how STEM education can empower youth to engineer safer, smarter futures. Number 13, Markazul Hadara Academy, Smart Rat Trap. Markazul Hadara Academy presented an innovative and practical solution to a widespread public health concern with their Smart Rat Trap. This automated system uses motion sensors, microcontrollers, and a mechanical trap to humanly capture rodents without relying on harmful chemicals or outdated methods.
I am here to present Smart Rat Trap Detector. Many people in this world, especially Nigeria, we are facing problem about rats. That's why we created this.
When a rat enters the detection zone, the system activates a quick lock mechanism and triggers an alert via buzzer or LED to notify users of a successful capture. The students proposed feature upgrades, including GSM modules, mobile app alerts for remote monitoring. The project addresses serious issues like food contamination, disease spread, and property damage, particularly in homes, schools, and public health facilities. Its low cost, easy to replicate design makes it especially suitable for resource limited settings.
This is what we call ultrasensitive.
Okay.
Whenever the rats enter, it will detect it, and this is what we call buzzer.
Buzzer, okay.
Yes, it will make a sound continuously, and inside the box there will be a rat trap that when the rats, yes, it will trap him.
Judges praised the team for their clarity, confidence, and social awareness. The Smart Rat Trap exemplifies how STEM education can empower young minds to solve everyday problems with thoughtful, community-driven innovations. Number 14, Nigerian Military School, Solar Automated Mine Detector. The Nigerian Military School, NMS Zaria, delivered a standout innovation at the Zaria STEM and Robotics Expo with their solar automated detector, a life-saving device designed to detect buried landmines using renewable energy and robotic technology. Equipped with metal sensors, solar-powered circuits, and autonomous mobility, the detectors scan the ground, identify metallic objects, poisonous gases, and trigger alert, reducing human risk in mine-sweeping operations. Its solar-powered design makes it ideal for deployment in off-grid or post-conflict regions where electricity is scarce.
We present a game-changing solution to one of the most pressing security challenges, landmines and improvised explosive devices. Our solar-powered automated mine detector is an autonomous and eco-friendly device that uses solar energy to detect and buried landmines without risking human lives. With thousands of soldiers lost annually due to hidden explosives, this innovation offers a safe, efficient, and sustainable approach to mine detection. It reduces military casualties, speeds up operations, and strengthens national security, all while cutting maintenance and energy costs. This prototype has two sensors, a metal detector and a gas sensor, which enables the mine detector to detect buried metal substances and gaseous elements. So for every explosive hidden or buried in the ground should have a metal element or a gaseous element. These sensors are used to detect them, and it has two buzzers inside which will send sound signals whenever a metal or a gas element is detected.
The students clearly explain how microcontrollers and motorized systems enable real-time detection. They also propose enhancements like GPS mapping, AI for object recognition, and wireless alerts for field teams.
Traditional means of detecting mines are dangerous, expensive, and risky. So we thought about building a robot which can detect mines safely and with free solar energy.
More than technically impressive, the project addressed a critical humanitarian need. Judges praised it for its relevance, emotional impact, and potential global application. Crowned Best Project at the Expo, NMS innovation reflected the school's values for service, discipline, and purposeful STEM education. Number 15, Prince and Princess Academy, Embedded Smart Bell. Prince and Princess Academy impressed with their innovative Embedded Smart Bell, a technology-driven solution aimed at automating the traditional school bell system. Using programmable microcontrollers and embedded sensors, the smart bell operates on a preset timetable, ringing automatically to signal class periods, breaks, and closing times. By eliminating manual operation, the system ensures consistency, reduces human error, and enhances time management within the school environment. The students further propose features like visual and audio cues for inclusivity, benefiting students with hearing impairment and integration with digital school timetable for easy customization.
Very excited to present the project we made, which is called the Embedded Smart Bell.
Many schools today are still using the normal bells we know. So the benefit of this embedded smart bell is that no need of any timekeeper to just carry the bell, because humans, we all know that we can forget time, and not even time, anything. So when we create this, we use it as our school time, like change of lesson, prayer time, and so on.
What stood out was the team's practical problem-solving mindset, identifying a gap in their school's routine and designing a scalable tech-based solution. Judges commended their grasp of embedded system and their clear, confident presentation. Prince and Princess Academics project reflects how young learners can apply STEM principles to everyday challenges, bringing automation, inclusivity, and innovation into the heart of education. What we have witnessed today is more than an exhibition of science projects. It is a powerful statement that with the right support, guidance, and belief, our young people can build the solutions that will shape tomorrow. From energy to agriculture, security to accessibility, these 15 schools have proven that innovation does not always start in a lab. It can begin in a classroom, a workshop, or even a quiet idea in the mind of a determined student. To BT Hub, Center for Digital Skills and Technology Zaria, we say thank you for daring to believe in the future and for creating this platform that bridges passion with purpose. As we sign off, may this Expo mark the beginning of a new tradition of excellence in STEM education, not just in Zaria, but across Nigeria. I am US Machida. This has been a special presentation only on Noblenews. Truth